10 Naked Motorcycles for 2025 showcase a diverse range of styles, technologies, and performance capabilities, catering to a wide spectrum of riders, from thrill-seeking enthusiasts to everyday commuters. Whether you prioritize raw power, cutting-edge electronics, or classic aesthetics, these bikes are poised to redefine the naked bike segment in the coming year. As manufacturers continue to push the boundaries of design and innovation, the future looks promising for motorcycle enthusiasts seeking the ultimate riding experience on two wheels. Triumph Speed Triple 1200RR. Triumph's flagship naked bike, the Speed Triple 1200RR, blends British craftsmanship with high-performance engineering. Featuring a powerful 1,160 cubic centimeters triple engine, advanced electronics, and a lightweight chassis, it's designed to deliver thrilling performance on both road and track. Triumph Speed Triple 1200RR specification. Engine, 1,160 cubic centimeters inline-3, liquid-cooled. Power is approximately 177 horsepower. Torque at approximately 125 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with bidirectional quickshifter. Frame, aluminum twin-spar frame. Suspension, fully adjustable Öhlins front and rear. Brakes, Brembo Stylmer front calipers, dual 320mm discs. Electronics, IMU-based cornering ABS, traction control, riding modes. Features, lightweight carbon fiber bodywork, TFT display, LED lighting. Honda CB1000R. The Honda CB1000R has always been a favorite among naked bike enthusiasts. For 2025, Honda has refined its design further, offering a blend of retro styling with modern features. With a 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, it promises smooth power delivery and agile handling. Honda CB1000R specification. Engine, 998 cubic centimeters inline-4, liquid-cooled. Power, approximately 143 horsepower. Torque, at approximately 104 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with assist slipper clutch. Frame, steel backbone frame. Suspension, Showa SFFBP front forks, adjustable rear shock. Brakes, dual radial mount front calipers, 310mm discs. Electronics, Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, riding modes, ABS. Features, LED lighting, LCD display, quickshifter, optional. BMW S1000R. BMW's naked sport bike, the S1000R, continues to impress with its combination of brute force and German engineering precision. Powered by a potent 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, it offers adjustable electronic suspension and a suite of rider aids for maximum control. BMW S1000R specification. Engine, 999 cubic centimeters inline-4, liquid-cooled. Power, approximately 165 horsepower. Torque, approximately 114 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with bidirectional quickshifter. Frame, aluminum composite bridge frame. Suspension, BMW Motorrad Dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment. Brakes, dual 320mm discs, BMW Motorrad Race ABS. Electronics, riding modes, rain, road, dynamic, race, traction control, cornering ABS. Features, full LED lighting, 6.5-inch TFT display, optional M package with lightweight components. Yamaha MT-10SP. The Yamaha MT-10SP embodies the dark side of Japan philosophy with aggressive styling and exhilarating performance. Equipped with a 998 cubic centimeters cross-plane inline-4 engine and Öhlins electronic suspension, it's designed for riders seeking adrenaline-packed rides. Yamaha MT-10SP specification. Engine, 998 cubic centimeters inline-4, cross-plane, liquid-cooled. Power, approximately 160 horsepower. Torque, at approximately 111 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with assist and slipper clutch. Frame, aluminum delta box frame. Suspension, Öhlins electronic suspension, front and rear. Brakes, dual 320mm discs, radial mount front calipers. Electronics, Yamaha chip-controlled throttle, YCCT, Yamaha D-mode, traction control, cruise control. Features, LED headlights and taillights, 3.5-inch TFT display, quickshifter, optional. MV Agusta Rush 1000. MV Agusta's entry into the naked bike segment, the Rush 1000, stands out with its striking design and race-derived performance. Powered by a 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine producing over 200 horsepower, it's a true enthusiast's machine that excels in both aesthetics and performance. MV Agusta Rush 1000 specification. Engine, 998 cubic centimeters inline-4, liquid-cooled. Power, approximately 208 horsepower. Torque, at approximately 116 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with up-down quickshifter. Frame, steel trellis frame with aluminum alloy swing arm. Suspension, Öhlins NIX-EC hydraulic forks, TTX-EC shock absorber. Brakes, Brembo Stylmer front calipers, dual 320mm discs. Electronics, MV Agusta Motor and Vehicle Integrated Control System, MVIC 2.0 with IMU, traction control, cornering ABS. Features, carbon fiber body panels, TFT display, multiple riding modes. Suzuki GSX S1000. Suzuki's GSX S1000 combines sport bike DNA with naked bike practicality. With a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine tuned for low to mid-range torque and a lightweight chassis, it offers a thrilling ride for both urban commuting and spirited weekend rides. Suzuki GSX S1000 specification. Engine, 999 cubic centimeters inline-4, liquid-cooled. Power, approximately 150 horsepower. Torque, at approximately 106 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with slipper clutch. Frame, aluminum twin-spar frame. Suspension, KYB inverted front forks, link-type rear suspension. Brakes, dual 310mm discs, Brembo radial mount front calipers. Electronics, Suzuki Drive Mode Selector, SDMS, traction control, ABS. Features, LED lighting, LCD instrument cluster, easy start system. Ducati Hypermotard 950R VE. Ducati's Hypermotard 950R VE blends supermoto styling with Italian flair and performance. Featuring a 937 cubic centimeters Testastretta twin-cylinder engine, adjustable suspension, and Ducati's latest electronics package, it's a versatile choice for riders who value agility and style. Ducati Hypermotard 950R VE specification. Engine, 937 cubic centimeters Testastretta 11 degrees twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled. Power, approximately 114 horsepower. Torque, with approximately 96 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with Ducati Quick Shift, DQS. Frame, tubular steel trellis frame. Suspension, fully adjustable Marzocchi front forks, Sachs rear shock absorber. Brakes, Brembo radial mount front calipers, dual 320mm discs. Electronics, Bosch cornering ABS, Ducati traction control, DTC, Ducati wheelie control, DWC. Features, TFT display, LED lighting, Ducati multimedia system, DMS. Kawasaki Z900RS. The Kawasaki Z900RS pays homage to the iconic Z1 of the 1970s while offering modern performance and comfort. With a 948 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, retro-inspired styling, and Kawasaki's advanced traction control system, it appeals to riders looking for classic looks with contemporary features. Kawasaki Z900RS specification. Engine, 948 cubic centimeters inline-4, liquid-cooled. Power, approximately 111 horsepower. Torque, approximately 98.5 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with assist and slipper clutch. Frame, tubular steel trellis frame. Suspension, 41mm inverted front forks, horizontal backlink rear suspension. Brakes, dual 300mm discs, radial mount front calipers. Electronics, Kawasaki traction control system, KTRC, Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Brake System, KIBS. Features, retro styling with round headlight and tank-mounted instrumentation, LED lighting. Indian FTR R Carbon. Indian Motorcycles FTR R Carbon combines American heritage with flat-track racing-inspired design and performance. Powered by a 1,203 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, it boasts carbon fiber bodywork, fully adjustable suspension, and advanced rider modes for dynamic riding experiences. Indian FTR R Carbon specification. Engine, 1,203 cubic centimeters V-twin, liquid-cooled. Power, approximately 123 horsepower. Torque, approximately 120 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox with slipper clutch. Frame, steel trellis frame. Suspension, fully adjustable front forks, monoshock rear suspension. Brakes, dual Brembo front calipers, dual 320mm discs. Electronics, ride modes, sport, standard, rain, stability control, traction control. Features, carbon fiber bodywork, 4.3-inch TFT touchscreen display, USB charging port. CF Moto 650 NK. CF Moto 650 NK offers an accessible entry into the naked bike segment without compromising on performance. Powered by a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, it features modern styling, nimble handling, and a user-friendly riding experience ideal for newer riders or those upgrading from smaller bikes. CF Moto 650 NK specification. Engine, 649.3 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled. Power, approximately 60 horsepower. Torque, with approximately 56 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox. Frame, tubular steel frame. Suspension, telescopic fork with adjustable preload, monoshock rear suspension. Brakes, dual front discs, ABS. Electronics, dual channel ABS. Features, LED lighting, LCD instrument panel, comfortable ergonomics for commuting.